to protect your soul. Here we go.
Hello, good evening. We're doing this on a Friday night tonight. Oh, I have no family tonight. We added a more purple shade for the special experience tonight. What up? Oh, maybe that's a little too purple. We were having some fun with the lights. Having a little bit of fun. Let's see. That might be a little too purple. Let's turn that down just a titch. What do we think? Well, that's a little better. I know what I can do. I just do this. Oh yeah, there we go. Oh, that's too much. I took away all the purple. Gotta have some. All right, that's pretty good. What's going on? Gonna do some more of the old boot.dev. We're on to the data structures part of the course, but first, let's get our banner. Oh, I hope everyone has real plans for Friday night that don't include watching me stream for very long. I mean, I appreciate it, but it's Friday. I should be doing something. I don't have to get up early tomorrow for like the first time in years. Oh, that's a pretty good stream banner. Hey, not bad, Gemini. That's good. I like it. I would use that. I mean, obviously that's not me, but other than that, it's not bad. Oh, that light is way too bright in the back. Okay, I should have done this last time. We're gonna try this right now. Okay, I should have put this on the outside of the glass instead of being an idiot and putting it on the inside of the glass. But I was... Oh, no, it's gonna rip. I'm gonna wreck the whole thing doing this. I was really hoping this blue tape would not destroy it. But I might have been a little overeager. We're gonna fix this. This is a Sweet Omarchi poster, and we're gonna put it up. Omaki. That I got from the... We're gonna put it up in the right way and see if I can reduce some of that glare. Let's do it. Okay, there's one piece of tape. I feel like I'm yelling. Ah! Man, I had a ramen for lunch today. I've been just on a ramen kick. And I am so full still. I had it like 6 hours ago. And I feel like I ate more food than I need for like 3 days. But I already do have a backup plan. If I get hungry later, it's quesadilla time. I think I can get rid of this glare with this poster. That would be sweet. Yo, what's going on, YouTube? I'm not 100% sure how I should pronounce your username. LGH18Q is a little bit long to say. But how are you? Hold on, I'm just trying to get rid of this glare. We went extra purple tonight for a little after hours development status. We're going to do some coding. We're going to try and finish the data structures. Well, not finish, but we're going to start the data structures course on boot.dev. I'm just in the process. I realized that I could, like an idiot, just say, Ollie, what's up, man? Like an idiot, I put this poster on the inside of the glass, which obviously had zero effect on the reflection. Booty Dev, what's up, Nil? How you doing? Is it Friday night for you, or where are you? If it's Friday, I only expect people to stay in here for like 30 minutes max, and then I expect you all to go do something fun. I'm going to keep doing this because my family's out of town. I don't have to wake up, and so I'm just going to use my computer all night. Friday night, 7? Dude, about to get dinner. Nice. You going out with friends or solo, family? What's the deal? Tell me all your plans. Dox yourself. Where are you going? Give us details so we can come crash your dinner. Okay, let's see if this Omicron poster will block some of the reflection. It's not that shiny, so I think it'll do it. Uber Eats. Nice, dude. I love Uber Eats. I love Uber Eats way too much. Okay. If this works, I'm going to be pretty stoked. Does that dull that giant reflection? Hell yeah. Oh. Yeah, baby. That's perfect. It's like the perfect type of poster, too, because it's matte. It's not very bright. I still can't believe that I put it on the inside of the glass last time and thought that it would do... It would block the light. What a flippin' idiot. Oh, man. Oh, I'm excited. I'm in a good... I don't know how to explain it. I don't know, like... It's so weird because on one level, I don't really like performing for people. But on a completely different level, I don't like being in front of people a lot. Like, unless when I was younger, I used to just, have some drinks and then I was ready to rock and roll. But like, I'm not actually like a huge fan of crowds or like being around a ton of people, but I get so excited coming on here and streaming. Like, just ridiculous levels of excitement. I try to slow them down a little bit just so that people can actually understand what I'm saying. But I get really pumped, man. I get really pumped to be here. What are you ordering from Uber Eats? I'm curious. I think I'm gonna do a quesadilla. Gotta save that cashish, Yeah, I don't know why this gets me so jacked up, but it really does. I really, really like it. I hope it's fun for people. I do want people to enjoy it. But we're going to get started in just a few minutes. Just getting everything set up. I'm very excited that I fixed that glare. That's awesome. I could probably move it over even a little closer, but that's still way better. Now I still get the light, which is a little bright, but that's okay. I need some some powder. Oh yeah, that is actually really bright. Maybe I should turn that light down just a titch. Let's see here. What if I turn this one down just a bit? Set the mood a little bit more. How's that? Oh yeah. That's not bad. Like, I don't want it to be too dark. Like, I still want light. I don't know. I can't tell. To me, they all look reasonably fine. Chinese food. Dude, okay. So, my wife does not like Chinese food, and I didn't really eat it a lot growing up, but then every once in a while, I get a hankering for some Chinese food. I just remember being a kid and, like, going to the all-you-can-eat buffet, and it was just all chicken balls. That is all I would eat. It's just, we go to the buffet, and I would just get a mound of chicken balls. Oh, they were so good. I've continued to expand my my tastes in Chinese food, but as a kid, oh, chicken balls is where it was at. I'm just gonna put out a little note that we're live, just in case we want to convince anybody else to come in. Thoughtless Labs After Hours is live. Love me some chicken balls. I know, they're so good. I remember I used to like pull the bread off and then just like eat the chicken ball and then eat the bread and eat them separately, which was weird, but okay. So yeah, I think I might stream for like ever tonight, basically. Either that or I'll get bored and bail. We'll see what happens. But I kind of want to do a few things. I want to do boot.dev for a while and do some courses. And then I kind of just want to like play a game or do something silly. Like I don't have a lot of these nights where I have no wife, kids, or responsibilities. So I should play games and do silly things and have fun. You know? All right. I think we're doing okay here. I think we're doing okay. I think everything's set up. We got the music going. I got water. I got pop. And I got headphones on. I think we're set, man. I think we're set. We'll get started in just a minute. I just need to check one more thing over here. Oh, yeah. Beauty. Okay. Well, what do we think, folks? I think it'd be that time that we start on our data structure courses on boot.dev, baby. We're going to do it. This is the day. Oh, I did get some chips, too, that I might eat. Probably, I should not eat while I'm doing this, because I've tried to do it, and it's just a disaster. Because all I do is eat and crunch and make loud noises. I feel like trash. Okay, let's get started. Why not? Let's see what we can get into. Hold on one second. I lied one more time. I keep realizing I have to check things before I get started. Okay. And we are ready. Let's learn. Introduction to data structures. Starting with this chapter, we're going to focus on how we can store and organize data in a way that allows for even better algorithms. Data structures are just organizational tools that allow for more advanced algorithms. Oh, that's a really good explanation for somebody who is a huge LARPer, who just does things like buys this book and never reads it. I am going to read it. That's next. Boot.dev course, read this book. That's my plan. Although I saw there was a second edition that just came out. So now I don't even know what to do. Do I just throw this in the trash and get a new one? I have one of those good books. I've heard it's really good. Like, that's the thing. I flipped it open a few times and have, like, just kind of read a few random pages. And I was like, oh, this is super interesting. But I haven't... I need to, like, read. I get caught up. My brain gets into, like... I start reading for a second, and then I'm like, oh, I should be doing something else. Why are you reading? You should go do blah, 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 blah. And it's like, but I want to learn, and I need to read to learn. I need to read and do, you know? Kind of like how they set it up at boot.dev. I need to talk to Lane. I need some sponsorships in here. For real. Okay. Where were we? I think we got through one sentence. Two sentences. Some examples of... Oh, no, wait. Data structures are just... Oh, did we already read that? We did, but I'm going to read it again. Data structures are just organizational tools that allow for more advanced algorithms. Some examples: stacks, last in, first out; queues, first in, first out; linked lists; a chain of nodes efficient for inserts and deletes; binary trees; the binary tree. Are we going to get to learn to invert a binary tree? That'd be fun. I'm into it. A tree where each node has up to 2 children. Oh my god. That's one of those like, oh duh. That's why it's called a binary tree. Because it can have 2 children, which is a binary amount. I didn't know that. I mean, I've seen them drawn a bunch, and I just never put it together. Oh, I am so... I have the weirdest like knowledge graph in my head, and it's so disconnected. it's so disconnected. I know, I see these things and I'll be like, oh, I've heard that word before, and then I think about it, it's like, oh yeah, because of this, and I need to connect that graph, baby. I gotta get that knowledge graph sorted. Oh my goodness. Okay. Duh. Obviously, that's why it's a binary tree. Idiot. Oh, okay, now we're going into red-black trees, though. I don't know what those are. A self-balancing binary tree using colors. Well, that's straightforward. Hash maps, a data structure that maps keys to values. Tries, a tree used for storing and searching words efficiently. Graphs, a collection of nodes connected by edges. All right. Before I get into this assignment, did anybody ever see that meme video of, okay, there's so many, as all with all memes these days, you, depending on where you are, you might not have all of these random bits of knowledge. It's the meme where the guy from Hamilton, who plays the king, who was also in that Mindhunter show on Netflix, which is awesome, and his name, Jonathan Goff. It's where he's doing like one of those Vanity Fair interviews or whatever with Daniel Radcliffe. And they're like, they ask him about spitting when he talks. And he's like, when I speak, I get wet. And then they laugh, and because everyone's like, that's a weird way to say it. And obviously he's just trying to talk about like when he speaks, he produces a lot of saliva. That's me too. Like when I'm doing this, I have to swallow so much because my body is just going nuts with saliva production. I don't know how people do it. That's like part of it is I just drink a bunch. But yeah, it's just like I get what he's saying when he says that. It happens to you too? Oh, interesting. I wonder how much of a, I don't want to call it a problem, but like I wonder how common it is. Because it really like, I'm sitting here like trying to say words and I can feel that if I don't swallow, I'm gonna just like spit all over the computer. So I know that I need to stop talking for a second and swallow. No clips on that, everybody. Tisk tisk. I mean, it is after dark. I made a few jokes about this being after dark, and hey, Loki, what's up, baby? I made jokes about this being after dark, but it's literally 7 o'clock in where I am. But for me, that's after dark, all right? This is late. OnlyFans, baby. Yeah, there you go. How have you been, dude? We're just getting into data structures. We're in that part of the course now. And I couldn't get on earlier today because the wife and kids were heading out of town, and I wanted to help them get out help them pack the car and stuff. So I was like, let's do Thoughtless Labs after hours, baby. Ooh, ooh. That's why I've got an even more intense purple light tonight. Got a new desk setup and a walking pad. Nice. How's it treating you? Do you like it? You inspired me that I wanted to just do, we have like a treadmill not too far from here. And I was like, I should just take a piece of wood and put it on top of the treadmill arms, and then I can put my computer on there. Dude, that's awesome, Loki. Good for you. Yeah, I gotta walk more too. I went out for 2 walks today because I was just like, I gotta start doing it again. I used to wake up at like 5 in the morning and go do a walk around where I live. And I love doing it, but then I fell off. I started staying up really late accidentally. And then that just like totally messed with my ability to wake up early. What are you gonna do? Other than go to bed early. I don't want to tell Brian Johnson, he'll get so mad at me. Do you take public transit in Toronto or you drive around? So, for what it's worth, technically I live in Mississauga, which is like just outside of Toronto. So it's a little bit more of a suburb. So it's a lot more driving to places. But, and then also with 2 kids, it's mostly driving. But if I'm by myself, like earlier today, there's yeah, it's very car centric. But so like near where I am is actually really nice. Within like a 25-minute walk, I can get to like a Starbucks, a grocery store, Tim Hortons, a bunch of restaurants, a Shoppers Drug Mart, a blood clinic if I need to go donate blood or anything, the like Ontario Center to get driver's license stuff. Like there's a whole bunch of stuff that weirdly we're within like a 20 to 25-minute walk from. And to be fair, my grocery store is actually like 12 minutes. So when I buy groceries, I walk to get them. And like I just take a cart and go walk there. And I try to walk around a lot by myself because the kids don't always want to go. And then if you want to go like, you know, for their dance lessons, for their skating lessons, for, you know, everything other than their school, basically, you gotta drive. It's not close. It's like a 5-minute drive, but it's, you know, like a 50-minute walk. 50. So it's like, you kind of gotta drive. But I do try and do as much walking as I can. And then I will say the winter got me this year. I started strong, and then I just like, the idea of like putting on boots and going and walking just became a nightmare for me this year. I was just like, I have no desire to do that. So now that it's getting nice, time to get back on those walks. You know, we gotta lean this up a little bit. Then we gotta build up some of these bad boys. Come on, we're turning 40 this year. I gotta be in shape. I gotta live forever. So I say that, and then just as a hilarious note, so when I went and walked to the store earlier, I bought I didn't go to the grocery store. I bought delicious Doritos. I bought this is my family's out of town and I'm just gonna party. So I bought Doritos. I bought O. Henry. And these are legit the best like candies in the world. If you like gummy candies, these things, dude. Oh, they're so good. So yeah, so this is me getting in shape. Walking to the store and buying a shitload of candy. Hey man, you know, you gotta balance it. You gotta balance it out. Now, dude, Sweet 16s are so good. I didn't mean to get the calories pack. It's all they had. Trust me, I would have very happily got the large one. Although it's probably better because I would eat the whole pack. That is like the ADHD side of me too that I have to really watch out on. Is if I don't really pay attention to myself, just mindlessly mowing down a bag of Sweet 16s or Doritos is like, yeah, whatever. That's nothing. And what sucks is like, I used to be a tiny kid. Like my whole life I was super, super skinny. And then I started drinking in university and that was the end of that. But when I was young, like I could do the same thing, and I would, you know, you get older, and obviously that doesn't happen anymore. But yeah, I can just mindlessly, like, I won't be paying attention, and then all of a sudden I'll be like, oh shit, I just ate like 2,000 calories worth of candy. Like, what the hell is wrong with me? I gotta stop doing that immediately. So, anyways, I'm trying though. Right now I'm using like the ability to like go to the store and buy a piece of candy, usually not a giant bag, but like buy some sort of treat to like, I'm gonna go walk for 50 minutes, and if I buy myself a coffee or a chocolate bar, so be it. It's a silly method, but it works for me to get started. And then after like a week of doing it, then I won't think about it. Then I don't need to buy the thing anymore, but it does help me get started. This is like, I don't know. I also just need to do it because, yeah, I've gotten bigger. I'm too big. I'm too big. It happens. I didn't mean, it's really funny how, like, you don't pay attention and then all of a sudden you're like, oh, Jesus. Hey, what's going on, Mikhailo? I'm just guessing on that. YouTube usernames are always so much more difficult. I don't know why. It's not your fault, but they are. Okay, we're just doing data structures. We just finished talking about trying to get back into shape as I'm hitting 40, but until... The best way to start getting into shape is to sit down and stream. So let's do it. We're gonna get into data structures. Let's see what we can do. I flip-flop between data and data all the time. I don't know. I can't help it. I feel like there's just some sentences where saying data sounds better and then saying data. Data? Are you a data? Nil Pointer's a data. What else? Who else? What else you got? Who says what? I say both. I definitely am a bother. Data and data. Depending on the context. My name is Christopher. Christopher, your username is very confusing. I'm just kidding. that one's easy. That one I can understand simply. We're doing data structures. Data structures. Oh, God. I don't know what I'm going to say. I'm going to go back and forth a lot. And you guys are just going to have to deal with it. We just finished reading. We're on the very first lesson of the data structures chapter of the data structures and algorithms course on boot.dev. And that's what we're doing. That's the catch up. Okay, we're going to try and do this first assignment. Assignment. Implement the count marketers function. It should accept a list of strings, job titles, and return the number of users who've set their title to marketer. I have 5 subscribers. Nice, dude. Congrats. That's awesome. Legit. Excuse me. I think it's ridiculous that anybody is a subscriber to me, to be honest with you. But it's awesome, and I appreciate it. Locked-in users sometimes use different casing in their titles, so make sure to account for that. All right, so we're going to have to use some to-lower, that's for sure. Let's see if we can do this. All right, what does it want me to do? Implement the count marketers function. It should accept a list of strings, job titles, and return the number of users who've set their title to marketer. Okay. Oh, my name is John, but I go by Thoughtless Labs on the old interwebs. Oh, what is my favorite YouTuber? Dude, that's an interesting question. Okay. Favorite YouTuber. Man. You know who I really love watching is the I Did a Thing guys. The guy. And then he does a lot of stuff with another guy that's like the boy. Those Australian guys, they crack me up. I really like their stuff. I also am a big fan of like Primeagen, obviously. And but yeah, the I Did a Thing guys are so good. Shut up, Vlad. Hey, why are we being rude? We don't need any shut-ups in here. Whoa. Bro, holy fuck. There you go. We're going for it tonight. This is after hours, apparently. Nice. I love it. What is your favorite person? I don't know, man. My wife and my kids, probably. I love the crazy background back there. Thanks, man. I went super purple tonight because we're doing after hours. And then I also just have a bunch of garbage. And I have a huge reflection that goes off that piece of glass. So I put up a poster that I got at Omicron. So there you go. YouTube be wild. I know. Wild out over on YouTube. I love it. Let me see. It makes me feel like, how many people are watching on YouTube right now? If it's like more than 5, that would be impressive. Oh, 4. Look at that. Blowing up over here. Dang, dude. All right. Should we actually try and implement this now? Let's do it. So basically, I think we just need to do, what does it want me to return? Return the number of users who set their title to marketer. Okay, so we just need a count equals, hey, Russia, what's going on? Count equals 0, well, we'll do job not title in job titles if marketer, wait, hold on. Users have set their title to marketer. Locked in users sometimes use different casing. So we need to do, is it like this? Can you do if if marketer, oops, marketer will in job titles, how do you do, I don't remember how to do lowercase. Is it lower? Is lower? No, that's not right. How do you do lowercase in Python again? How do you like set it to always be, to check for things to be low? Is it a dot? Dot lower? Or is it dot is lower? Is that it? We'll see. Count plus equals 1. Whoop. Plus equals 1. And return count. How did we do? No, hold on. Okay, it's just, oh, yeah, shoot. I need to do that. Is that what it is, though? Is it is lower? I just don't remember. No, I need to remember how do you check for, or how do you lowercase all of the things? Lower, oh, no, wait. If I need, first it needs to be title. Dot lower. Is that it? Is it? Yeah, there we go. We got it. Your favorite YouTuber ever is John. Oh, dang. Thanks, Christopher. Me, John? There's a lot of Johns out there. So it could be anyone. Could be anyone. John's a common name. Okay, well, we got that one. So that was pretty straightforward. Did we get it right? We did. And how does the actual solution look? Oh, we did it. Oh, I see. They did. If job title equals marketer. Ah, that's one way to do it. We did it a different one. But both ways got there. I think the way that I did it isn't good because if there was a term that was like marketer fan or something, it would still count it. So I guess it depends on what you're looking for. My way could work. The way I did it would get more marketers. So if you were trying to find like marketers, if some people had like marketer or like marketer head or marketer whatever, then the way I did it would catch those and count those as well. But if you were looking for just the marketer term, then my way is not a good way to do it. Then the way that they did it is the right way. I think that makes sense. Just as a reminder or a heads up for anybody new watching, I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just figuring it out. So I will make assumptions. I will make errors. I will do a whole bunch of stuff. Marketer, barely know her. That's fantastic. Classic joke. Big fan. Big fan of that joke. Thank you. All right. Let's go to the next one. So what are data structures? A data structure is a data organization, management, and storage format that enables efficient access and modification. More precisely, a data structure is a collection of data values, the relationship among them, and the functions or operations that can be applied to the data. That is the Wikipedia definition of data structure. So in other words, a data structure stores data, organizes data so that it can easily be accessed and modified, contains algorithmic functions to expose the ability to read and modify the data. I don't know why I was reading that like there was gonna be another one, but there wasn't. So now I just am in this rhythm and I need to stop. Parse int Twitch followers dot reverse. What are you trying to do? I don't even know what that means. Trying to check my Twitter followers? Or did you already answer the question? What are you doing? What's happening here? You're already familiar with some of Python's built-in simple data structures. List an ordered collection of items. So animals, cat, dog, mouse. And the dictionary is a collection of key value pairs. Hacker? Do I just ban them or what? Do I ban? Is that the way you go? Flipping hackers, man. I mean, I don't know what you're trying to hack. No, don't ban them. Leave them. Let them hack. Do it, man. I used to always I wanted to be a hacker so bad as a kid. And then I was just like, I don't understand what these computer things are doing. I don't understand it. Okay. We're going to keep going. We're still moving. I have to answer this question. So, we're going to ask the audience, data structures. Store data and allow access to it efficiently. Don't use algorithms. Are web-scale databases are only used by CS professors to scare business majors into dropping the class. Very clearly, the answer is 4. No, Commander is in the same space. Nice, dude. I don't know Commander TS. But hello, welcome. Okay. You're my favorite ship poster, dog? What? Wait, who? Nil Pointer or me? Do we follow each other? I do like posting things. And Nil Pointer is a pretty good poster too. I don't shitpost. Nil Pointer, whatever. You just don't think you shitpost. There's a difference. There's a difference. Okay, we're going to answer this question. It's 1, right, everybody? Yes, we're going with 1. We got it. Crushing it. Okay. Oh, speaking of, I see Nil Pointer on here right now. I'm gonna... Dude, I'm sorry. Just as a note, if anybody, like, actually does follow me or, like, and I don't recognize your name or recognize anything, I am horrible at that. I am, like, the worst person in the world. I can keep, like, 2 people, maybe 3 in my mind, and those people are my wife and 2 kids. And I don't even remember all of them all the time. So, you know, they rotate between the 3 for the top 2 spots. And that's... So I apologize. I really feel bad about it, but it's been my whole life of just being absolutely terrible at remembering people. And remembering people that I talk to. Nice flex? It's not a flex. I don't even have anybody. It's not that I have a lot of people. I just don't know. Or are you just saying flex because of the wife and kids? Yeah, that is pretty sweet. I will always flex about that. But no, here's a ridiculous story. So I've said this before, and I used to party pretty hard. You know, alcohol was always my go-to, and we used to go pretty hard back in the day. And I don't know if anybody else blacks out a lot from drinking, but like when I was younger, I never paid attention to how much I was drinking. I would just pound drinks. And so I would black out all the time. It was ridiculous. And so one time I remember I was out one night, had a great night, got home, went out the next day, and all of a sudden this like person who I did not recognize at all was like, "Hey, how's it going? Like, good to see you." And I was like, "I'm so sorry. Like, I don't really remember." And she was like, "What are you talking about? We sat on the curb in front of the bar for like an hour talking." And I was like, I'm so sorry. I was like, don't take it personally. Like, one, I was definitely partying very hard that night, but also like I had no recollection of this person. I felt so guilty. Anyways, I finally stopped drinking and smartened up and started dealing with all of my issues. And that was good. And it's been a lot better ever since. But man, oh yeah, I'm terrible at remembering this stuff. So don't ever take it personally. It literally has. I'm not saying you were taking it personally. I'm just saying, please, nobody take it personally, because it's just me. Okay. Speaking, Nil Pointer, did you ever get that food, by the way? You eating Chinese food or what? I feel like I should order some food now. No, what time is it? Oh, it's on the way. Nice, baby. Well, you enjoy it. Okay, which is not a data structure? Stack, MySQL, dictionary, array. Which one? Okay, well, we know dictionary is. Array is also one, is it not? Because isn't an array just a list? Or a list is an array? I mean, I know I could cheat and go back to the lesson 1 because it talked about which ones were. But I felt like stack was too. I'm going back. Stacks are a data structure. Oh, is it MySQL's not one? What are we thinking? 2 or 4? I need some help on this one. I think it's 2. I'm going with 2. Unless somebody has a better answer for why it should be 4, I think it's 2. Dun, 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 dun. Okay. Commander, I actually, now that I'm thinking about it, like, I feel like I remember your name. I'm trying. 2? It is 2? Okay, that's what I thought. We're going with 2. Booyakasha. Thoughtless beer art coming? Oh, man. Oh, I'm getting tweets. Hold on. Sorry, I gotta check out the old tweets. Man, I'm having so much fun. Okay, let's keep going, baby. Let's do it. We got it. I wasn't even excited about getting that one right. I got too distracted. Oh, shit. This looks like I gotta read a lot. Oh, boy. Okay, here we go. After dark. After dark. I mean, the sun is still technically up, which is why I wrote after hours. But we're basically after. Oh, man, that purple's pretty harsh on the side, eh? Do I just need this to be a little brighter to counteract some of that perps? No, it's still too bright. I think I just need to do this. Whoop. Okay, that'll be better. I like the purple, though. I'm enjoying it. I just don't want it to be so harsh on my face. Although I could do this, everyone, just as a note, really quick. This could also be the lighting that we choose, which could be pretty slick if I do say so myself. Like, we could do, hold on, we could do cop car, fireworks, or party. That was amazing that the music stopped. It was changing song right as I turned on party lights. We can do party lights. We can do candle light if we want to make it a little more romantic. Lightning storm? That's actually pretty good, man. If I didn't tell you that there was no lightning storm, you might actually think there was one. Just saying. Okay, I gotta stop that. Someone's gonna have a seizure. You got a feeling. Okay, we're going back to purple. Oh, that one's too bright. It's back to being too bright on the old face. Nothing like getting myself super distracted playing around with flippin' light settings. Who is this guy? Okay, sorry. I was just having a little fun. Can't help myself. I don't know how people do this and not get distracted. Like, I don't know. People just are better than me. That's what it comes down to. They're just better. All right, we're going into this lesson. Lists. Okay, we know what lists are, but from a data structures and algorithms perspective, what are they good for? Let's break it down by operation. Append. Oh, we know append. We're good at appending. Appending an element to the end of a list. Cars.append Ford is on average O1. Ah, okay. We go directly to the end and add the element. Index. Accessing an element by index, cars 2, is O1 as well. Ah. We go directly to the index and return the element. Why would append on average be O1? Is it because if you don't, because you can append, it doesn't append have like a key option, so technically you could try to append it somewhere else? I don't know. I don't know why it says on average. I'm interested. If anybody knows, let me know. Delete, removing an element from the middle of a list. Cars.pop2 is ON. We have to shift all the elements after the deleted element down one index. Oh yeah, I never really thought of that. Like, obviously they all have to change their index, but I never really thought about the fact that you had to do that. Anyways, searching for an element in a list. Example, cars.index Ford is O to the N. You have to iterate over the list until we find the element. So it gets worse as the list grows. In other words, lists start to struggle in two primary areas. When you need to frequently delete elements from the middle of the list, when you need to frequently search for specific elements in the entire list. Assignment. We need to display a user's last job title on their profile. Implement the last work experience function. It takes a list of our user's work history, strings, and returns the last place they worked. Assume the list is ordered from oldest to most recent. If the list is empty, return none. Okie dokie. So then, well, first of all, we'll just do this. If work experiences length of work experience equals 0, then return none. Now that we've handled that use case, assume the list is ordered from oldest to most recent. Okay, that's fine. Assume the list is ordered from oldest to most recent. So at the end, it would be if we're gonna do the last place they worked, then we need the last one in the list minus 1, I would assume. So we're gonna do return work experiences dot pop. Is that the way you write it? Is it? Or no? We need it's just minus 1, right? Can you just do that? I think that's right. Let's find out. No, shit. Built-in function or method. Oh, wait. Work experience. Oh, because I left dot pop in there like a fool. There we go. Easy peasy. That was rocking and rolling. I like that one. Easy peasy. Oh, snap. I realize I'm talking to myself, baby. I don't know why I never looked at this before. As he continues to say to himself, this is actually really cool. Food, Tom, I'll catch you later. Yeah, no worries, man. You have yourself a good one. Enjoy. I'm gonna try and just hang out for a long time tonight. So if you get bored, feel free to come back. But have a great Friday, dude, and I'll see you again next week. Hopefully, we're gonna keep going. We are crushing. All right. Hold on one second. All right. So I think we actually did this all right. All right. Right on. Okay, let's submit it and see. Hey, there we go. Nice job, us. How did we do compared to the solution? Oh, perfect. Interesting that they did greater than 0 this time. Oh, I see. Because they did return. Ah, interesting. We just flipped it. I wonder which one's faster. I'm sure somebody knows that answer. But I wonder which one's faster. Is it faster to do check and return none? I guess it depends on if you assume you're going to have more with 0 or not. I don't know. I haven't learned enough about algorithms yet. And Big O. Anyways, we got it right. Yay, us. Good job, team. Okay, I am going to... I think I need to... I'm going to go do a quick bathroom break while we're hanging out. Okay, I'll be right back. And then we're going to keep on a-going. Keep on a-trucking. Okay, be right back. I feel like I need like a be right back thing. Check. fucking idiot. I'm back. I was muted for a whole bunch of that time because I am an idiot. Well, I was just posting on the old twits, so nothing big. Nothing big. What's Primogen doing out here? People really out there trying to fish. Amazing. Okay. Well, that's amazing. For full body tracking in VR chat. Whoa, this is legit. All right, here, hold on. I'm gonna bring this up. Dang. Look at this. Someone just posted up this tweet. Look how cool that is. Playing shapes too. Jay Larky. Nice. Lots of people on the old twit. Oh, why is that so small? Hold up. Okay, look at this. So, full body tracking in VR chat using Kinects or iPhones with custom ML models. That's insane. That's incredible. Nice work. I'm just gonna be positive for the rest of my life, you know? I'm gonna not let the haters get me down. Ugh. Okay, so we're gonna continue. I don't know why I'm looking at this. Oops, sorry. Good thing nobody's in here. Primogen did win the internet. ChatGPT became a real thing. Okay, I gotta get off of this. Okay. Leaking likes all the time. Okay, let's continue. I think it's just talking to myself, baby. Oh, I'm gonna eat a chip. Don't get mad at me. If anybody joins in, I apologize. I'm hungry. Oh, yeah. Doritos, baby. That's a good shit. That is the good stuff. My goodness. Oh, I need to check one more thing. Oh, yeah. Here we go. Moving. This is great. Keep doing what you're doing. When the list gets to 0, let me know. Then do another. Hold up. Then launch a research initiative to see if we are ready for a new manager. Hell yeah, dude. Okay. Oh, should we launch Codex on here? I kind of want to get Codex. And should we try out the new, should we get ourselves a little Tamagotchi or what? Codex. Let's do it, man. Let's do it. Ah, what? Codex.com is this website. That is not what I was expecting. That's hilarious. What is Codex? Is it? Oh, it's a ChatGPT.codex. That's hilarious. I was not ready for that one. Amazing. All right, let's download Codex. I might mess around with this a little bit later. All right, Codex, you can download. Have fun. Are you downloading? What are you doing? What are you doing, brah? There we go. Did I download it twice? So nice I had to get it twice? All right, we're going to install this. And then we're getting back. But nobody's here. It's just me, I think, right? Is it just me hanging out? That's cool, man. I'm into it. Okay, we're installing Codex. And we're going to launch one of those little animals that everyone keeps talking about. think we need to turn up the tunes, baby. Ba, 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 da. Oh. Well, since nobody else is here, I'm gonna check emails really fast. If somebody joins, shout out, and I'll stop. I love getting. I forget that I have an AWS account, and I get all these emails about my every like month or whatever for my bill, and it's always $0 because I don't use it. So I just get these emails that are like, "Your bill is due. It's $0." Oh, great! Thanks. Thanks so much. Absolutely useless. Okay, translate turns 20. That's fun. How is Cursor requesting permissions right now? I'm not even using Cursor right now. Get out of here, Cursor. Oh, stupid allergies, man. I tell ya. What a nightmare. Okay. We're in it to win it, baby. Let's do it. I'm going to do a couple more posts on the old Twit. I'm bored. It's getting wild in the after hours. Okay. What the heck is all this stuff? Do I even live here? What in the hell is even that? Oh, what am I doing? Uh-oh. Don't see my OpenAI. I don't think you can. I'm just going to log in with Google. You can see all my emails. That's fine. I don't care. It would be the first time that all of my emails have been into the world. All right. We're signing into the old Codex. Okay, perfect. We're in Codex now. Nice. Okay, how do I hatch an animal? That's all I want to do. Oh, I guess I should show people this. All I want to do is hatch an animal. How do I hatch an animal in Codex? That's what I'm looking to do here. I need to open the app. Games built on Chromium cannot be captured using... I used the wrong thing. I used the wrong thing. I mean, I need a new capture. What if I do DaVinci and do Codex instead? Yeah, there we go. All right. We're gonna... Let's just see. How do you launch the pet? That's all I want to do. Okay. Set up Agent Sandbox to continue. Fine. Oh my gosh, what am I doing? What am I doing with this life of mine? Sandbox is ready. Okay, great. How If I do the slash command, pet, there it is. Oh boy. Okay, we're doing it. We're opening up a pet. Absolutely. I'm currently hatching my first Codex pet. Where is my Codex pet? I just hatched it, I thought. What? How does this work? How do I do this? Pet. Wake or tuck away. Do I need to like launch a pet first? How do I launch a pet? Is it a plugin? Do I have to activate something? Like, come on, man. What's happening? Let's see. Can you tell me how to launch a pet? I gotta pump the music, man. I don't want to start a pet-related business codex. Oh, nobody can read this. It's much too small. How do I increase the size of things in an app? Appearance. Oh, codex not responding. That could be my computer. My computer sucks. Okay, here we go. I need a bigger font. Font size. There we go. Bum, 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 bum. Let's do 24. Whoa, that was too big. 24. Oh yeah, here we go. 24. Pets. Oh yeah, here we go. Pets. Pets. Oh, I get to pick one. Codex is my pet. Dewey, Fireball, Rocky. You can do custom pets. All right, let's start with Blue Screen of Death as my pet. And let's wake that boy up. Uh-oh, what did I do here? At least you can kind of read this now. Oh, there he is, way down in the corner. You can't see him. Hold on. What if I put him here? Can you see him? No. Ah, he's an overlay, so you can't see him. Well, I have a pet. You can't see him. What does my pet do? I can close him? Does it do anything else? Does it tell me stuff? What does this pet do? I didn't watch any of the videos. I didn't plan ahead. Okay. How do I get out of this? Oh, yeah. New chat. There we go. That's what I want. Oh, this is so gross with a large font. They really should have scaled this better when you increase the font size a little bit. Anyways, I don't know what this does. So I'm just gonna... Let's just get this to do something fun. How do you bake beans? Okay, and then what if I put this down? Oh, yeah. You can't see it, though. Can I make you see it? How does it show up? Is it an extra thing? No. Well, that's boring. I don't know how to show them to you. But I have a little pet. And I can't share my whole desktop with you. Okay, well that's kind of fun though. I support it a little bit. Oh, there he is! You can see him! Yes! That's hilarious. Okay. How do I refry beans? Oh yeah, there you go. That's hilarious. Okay, now... You can just look at my guy, this little guy. Oh, you can't read anything that he says, though. That means I can leave him on stream. That's kind of fun. Ooh, what else could we do with that? I need to make him bigger. Can I do this? Oh, uh-oh. Oh, no. Okay, now we have options. All right, now I need to change these settings back because they're too big. I want the defaults. I can't see anything, for crying out loud. Like, where's even the appearance? Okay. I need to go back to normal, which was 14 and 12. But now that I have you seeing my little dude, okay, what could we do with our little guy? Wait, why can't... Oh, I have to chat like this? Okay, let's try a new chat. Let's see what we can do. What if I do... What if I have this closed? What's the command for new chat? Control N. So if I just do Control N while he's up... Oh, shit. I gotta stop pressing. Control N. No, he doesn't catch that. Okay. So we need him... We need to get him talking, and then once he's talking, I think we can reply to him. Let's find out. Oh, is my head even attached to my body? Nobody can tell. I'm having too much fun. Friday night, baby. Let's do it. Ayo, baby. Okay, can you help me build a program connected to Twitch that allows for me to create polls and let the audience vote on them? Let's see if we can do this. Boom. Let's see what happens. Oh, you can see him now. Yeah. That's actually really fun. All right. I support it. I wonder if there's a way that you could implement a pet into your chat. Like into your Twitch stream. I'm sure you can. I'm sure there's a way. I'm going to write that on a list of something random to do another time. Because right now, I'm going to go back to boot.dev. But later, we could do that. Codex pet in stream. Okay, we got some tasks for later in life. I love it. Okay. Sorry, I've gotten distracted now by this little pet. I also need to eat, I think. What time is it? 8 o'clock? I want to figure out how to do, like, better... Oh, what is this? Bohemian hats. What's this guy? Amazing. Man, I'm excited to see what this little dude comes up with. So he can just work away while we go back to doing... Oh, wait, I need to add him here. Let me add him. This is hilarious. Alright, I got my little Codex bot now. Just hanging out with me while we do some work. This is awesome. Oh yeah. Wait, if he's that way, he's that way. Bum 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 bum. There you go. Nice. I needed to grab a screenshot, which was very silly. Added my little codex buddy. All right. Okay, well, nobody's in here. We're taking a Doritos break. Oh. What is this? Uh-oh. Agents are doing something in the background, and they're asking for permissions. That's a good Doritos crunch, baby.
Thank God that the brothers on the rise now. Levitating now, I'm super duper fly now. London boy, but they see where I reside now. Put the time in while you all because I know I'm coming with it. You were sitting, you were wishing I was handling my business. Now I got the ball like Harry Potter playing Quidditch. And my business is humongous. You would think that happens in there. Oh man, I'm all that. Yeah, I'm all that. Working for that. Yeah, that what you call it. And I've always been ahead like an effing ball cap. Man, I came in the game like whoa. Got a couple chains on me cause I like gold. They told me how to bust and I told them I know. Cause when I'm in your town, every ticket I sold. Yeah, they saying I'm the man. Facts, bro. Lot of haters. Tell me where they at though. I'm the new pop, all I do is rap though. Want me on your song, throw a couple stacks, yo. Everybody wanna do the same thing, yo. That's why we ain't on the same page. Do my own thing, and I maintain. Flow like water, so I'm going mainstream. I'm going mainstream. Flow like water, so I'm going mainstream. Yeah, I'm going mainstream. Flow like water, so I'm going.
We're just eating chips now. This is a chip eating stream. Okay, but for real, absolutely, without a doubt, the best Doritos. No contest. I don't know what Codex is doing. He's just farting around. Get to work, Codex. Do something useful, man. Okay. Well, while he's hanging out there, what else should we do? I think we're changing. I think we're going to move on from boot.dev. I know there's a way to very easily change all of these. Oh yeah, here we go. Okay, I'm gonna play a game. We did a solid 5 minutes of real learning to program in an hour and 23 minutes. What more could you want? Okay, let's change it. We are now going to be playing games. What should we play? Terminator? Maybe Nintendo? Whoa, 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 whoa. Oh, shoot. I let my Nintendo die. Hold on. I let the Switch die. Oh, that is an attractive look at the back. Don't stand up is the new lesson. Here. Okay. What should we get into, do you think? We could play Nintendo. Nah, we'll do a little bit more coding. Let's do a little bit more boot.dev. Couple more lessons. Okay, what's next? List quiz. Okay, well, let's see. Let's actually just check what the next lessons are. Oh, perfect. Let's finish these two. Done. Oh, command approval? Sure. Uh-oh. I'm just approving stuff. I'm letting Codex go, baby. Go, Codex, go. Let's see what you come up with. Okay, list quiz. Answer the questions based on this code from the last assignment. Looking up an item in a list by index is much faster than searching for items using iteration. O1 versus ON. What is the big O complexity of the last work experience function where N is the length of the work experiences array? So it would be, what is the big O complexity of last work experience function where N is the length of the work experiences array? I think it's just O of N, right? Because it just gets longer based on how long the list is. No, shit. Then it must be O1? Constant? Is that right? I should read that. Let me just make sure. The function, the answer is 1, representing O of 1, or constant time. Yeah, okay. So why is it constant? In Python, lists keep track of their own size in a specific field in memory. When you ask for the length, Python doesn't count every item one by one. It simply looks up that pre-stored number. Oh, okay. That makes sense. I mean, it's annoying, but it makes sense. Oh, man. I need to figure out... That's too close. Too shiny. That's probably the right distance. Okay, next part of the quiz. We're going to finish this quiz, and then we're going to play a game or something else. We're going to do something silly. Something goofy and fun. Bum 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 ba bum. Okay. Why is index lookup so much faster than iteration? The index is stored in the back of a physical book. And as we all know, turning pages is blazingly fast. Oh, shit. Codex just said it built me my whole thing. Okay. How do I run this? How do I run this, Codex? It says that I can just run this. Okay, let's see. Hold on. Oh, I still have to fill in my client secrets and stuff. I'll do that later. Not worth it right now. Thanks, Codex. I'm going to close you. Goodbye. But you stay up. Ooh, how do you actually get out of Codex now? How intensely do you have to quit Codex? Do I have to do exit? Yeah, there we go. That was fun, though. Okay, Codex, little buddy. I got a little buddy. Hold on, sorry. Okay. The computer can jump straight to the location of an index. An index is like an address of an item in a list. An index lookup just requires scanning the array up to the given location. Full iteration goes all the way to the end of the list. So I think its computer can jump straight to the location of an index. We got it. Okay, that's good. We're on to stacks. We got done the first one. I think that's enough boot.dev for a little bit. A solid hour and a half of practicing our coding. Now let's do something different. Let's play a game. I can't decide if I want to play... I want to play tape to tape, so that's what we're going to do. So we're going to switch it up. All right, let's change the old titles. Okay, hold on. Playing tape to tape. I'm going to change the category to gaming. I don't think I can actually change that stream title, but that's fine. Okay, gaming. Nah, we'll just leave it on just chatting. Okay, let's do it. We're gonna jump. And we are going to play tape to tape. Now I just gotta open it and remember how to do it. Did that actually work? Done? Oh yeah, baby. Royalty. Okay, let's open up tape to tape. Oh boy, I'm hoping this doesn't drop too many frames. Tape to tape, you usually can handle it. We're gonna try. All right, hold up. I gotta open up Steam. And I need to do gaming window. And I need to do Steam. Uh-oh. Oh, no. I'm going to blow. Oh, come on. Don't mess up on me. OBS. Ah. Come on. OBS, you son of a gun. Are you going to not respond? Is it done? Did you blow it, OBS? I can't tell if it's working or not. I guess I could go live here. Is it still coming through? Oh yeah, it seems to be. So even though OBS is totally borked on my end, it is still streaming. Amazing. So we're gonna try and still see if we can figure this out without having access to OBS. And maybe it'll sort itself out at some point. I don't know. I don't know, man. I don't know what it's doing. Okay, well, we're gonna find out. If it doesn't work, then we're just gonna restart our stream. Oh yeah, well, you definitely can't see what I'm doing, so that's fun. Oh, OBS. I don't know what the best way to do this is. Like, if I close OBS, can I reconnect to the stream without it dropping? Or is it just gonna drop and I just gotta start over? OBS. Is there any way to bring you back? No? Okay. Shoot. Well, since you can still hear me, I'm gonna bail and then come right back. Because I cannot click OBS, anything in OBS. It has officially broken. Alright, well, let's do it. We're going to play tape to tape, and we're going to come back and do it. So, bye, everybody. Thanks for watching my stream so far. I'll be back in like 5 minutes. It's hilarious that you can still see stuff, but OBS is completely not responding. It has no idea what it's doing. It's just going for it, you know? Okay, I'll be back. I'm going to start a new stream, and we're going to play tape to tape for a little bit. Oh, what if I do wait for this program to respond? Will it ever actually figure itself out? I mean, my gut tells me no. My gut tells me that it is completely boned. Oh, yeah. It doesn't know what's happening. Oh, man. Okay, let's try it. Let's see if I can help it out. I'm going to see if I can get this back. Hold on. We're not giving up yet. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. I think it's starting to fail. Oh, no. It's failing. Wait, is it still on? Oh, yeah. Hilarious. It's still going. It's trying so hard to stay up. All right. What if I close? Let's see. What else can I close that might get it to work? You can go away. This is good. This is fine. We technically don't need this anymore. What happens if we close that? Will that figure it out? No, it doesn't know what it's doing. Oh, maybe. Hold on. Hold on. I want to see if I can get this on. I'm trying. What if I'm trying to trick it. I'm trying to trick it into working. No, it can't do it. It can't bring itself back, can it? Come on. You silly. What if I open another OBS? Okay, at any point this stream might bail. So like just be ready for it. But in the meantime, I'm just gonna try a bunch of other random things and see if I can somehow convince it to reopen. I'm sure I'm probably dropping like thousands of frames right now. Okay, we're gonna run in normal mode. If I open a new one, will that trick it into working? Using Windows is all about tricking the computer into doing the thing you want it to do. I'll be very interested to see if this works out. Oh, it's trying. Here's the new one. Oh, no, it's not responding either. Okay. I'm going to close this out because it's not working. And I'll come back on in a few minutes. And we'll do something fun. You silly OBS. Alright, I'll be back.